Residential sales comparison and income approaches. Page 95. Extra note 3 test questions. We applied both on this page. Extra note: you can arrive at a net extra no if the comparable is superior. You were just down to the subject. If the comparable is inferior, you were just up to the subject. Extraneous financing terms. For instance, the seller paid points and cost. Sales comparison analysis. Dollar adjustments and percentage adjustments in residential appraising. Applying dollar adjustments to comparable properties is the most common practice when using the sales comparison approach. Most quantitative adjustments identified for physical characteristics are applied in this manner, as well as others, depending on the specifics of the assignment. Apply Booth. On this DOLUA, percentage adjustments are applied more frequently for elements of comparison such as property rights conveyed, financing terms, conditions of sale, market conditions, and location. In many cases, the percentage may be converted back to a dollar amount for application to a particular comparable. The appraiser must use his judgment as to the appropriateness of the type of adjustment to apply in each assignment. You can arrive net tat direction of adjustment ups and downs. As was mentioned at the beginning of this section, the purpose of applying an adjustment is to make the comparable as similar to the subject as possible. The subject property is the benchmark for all adjustments, thus, the subject property is never adjusted. Adjustments are applied to only the comparable properties. When the comparable property is inferior to the subject, an upward adjustment is applied to the comparable to align it with the subject. When the comparable property is superior to the subject, a downward adjustment is applied. Note: knowing when to apply an adjustment as a plus or a minus may seem to be a fairly simple topic. However, making the application in the wrong direction is a frequent and embarrassing error for appraisers. Adjust comparable superior subject comparable inferior 18 sequence of adjustments. The order in which adjustments are applied in the sales comparison approach in most residential assignment is similar to the order in which we discussed the elements of comparison. 1. Property rights conveyed. 2. Financing terms. 3. Conditions of sale. 4. Market conditions. 5. Location. 6. Physical characteristics. LE seller paid points and cost. In some instances, there could be variations in the order in which the appraiser applies adjustments. However, most residential appraisers *read 95 adjustments.